Hi, I'm Nathan, and this is the AR Minute from AWE EU. Today I'm talking with Edu Strul of EyeJets. They make some amazing optical technologies. I can't wait to learn more. First off, can you tell us a little bit about who you are and what you do in the Metaverse?
Our vision is a world without screens. That means that we are developing a unique technology for smart glasses in which we want eventually to replace the smartphones. How do we do it? The first step is projecting all digital data directly onto your retina. And the big shot is that we have an eye tracking system in which it tracks your eye because your eyes move all the time. So if I want to project something on you are not going to see it very well because your eye moves.
Yes.
But our eye tracking is taking care of it. So it moves the movie from the YouTube moves with your eye. So you'll be able to see the movie very good.
Yeah.
So the next step, after we do that, we'll add the sound, the camera is simple, and also a virtual keyboard. So you'll have all the capabilities of the smartphone.
Today we heard from Ori talking a lot about dreams for the Metaverse. Can you tell me a little bit more about this dream of yours for the Metaverse?
So eventually it's like in the movies, and you'll be able to see everything directly on your eye, and you can move let's say the display, and you'll have different charts, and you can just play with this. This is the smartphone, okay? Your eye is like everything. You'll be able to see everything, and you'll be able to see, let's say, 20 different screens in the same time.
As somebody who's working very intimately with your consumers, what's your job or what's your role in ensuring things like safety, data privacy? How do you address some of these tricky questions about the Metaverse?
Regarding the challenge of sharing information and everyone knows everything about you and myself and everything, I think that our technology gives a good solution for that. Because when in the future we'll have these smart glasses, you'll speak with me, you're going to be sure that it's me. Because part of the technology, we scan our retina all the time, so it's only me. So when I speak with you, it's only you.
They're like fingerprints, right?
It's better than fingerprints, it's the retina. So for example, if you want to do something with your bank account, it's only based on your retina.
The device always knows who it's talking
because
to.
we scan the retina all the time.
Yeah.
If I have the glasses, so it's my retina.
Edu, we've made it to the last question, and it's simply, the future is?
World without screens.
I love it. Of course.
I think that the Metaverse is a great thing. I think this is the future. I think the big challenge is that in the future, the Metaverse looks like everyone is living in an isolated environment. So the question is, how do you still be part of the community with the Metaverse? I think this is a big challenge.
I'm so enamored with that. Edu, it's been so great to talk with you.
Thank you.
I was floored when I saw the EyeJets prototype on the expo floor here today, and I can't wait to come try it out later on today. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.